All right, Jason, we're going to learn to do the double lift, and we're going to use these cards. These are the Bicycle Archangels. These are the cards you're going to be getting tomorrow. Treat them well. Here's the box. Look really nice. Nice embossed foil box. The cards are pretty nice as well. These are pretty much brand new, so they should feel pretty well. They should feel pretty nice. You can see the spread's pretty good. Anyway, getting into the double lift. When you catch that break, what you want to do is use the base of your thumb. Like, you don't want to count one card at a time like this. You don't want to count one card at a time. What you're going to do is use the base of your thumb to grab the first card, and then use the middle of your thumb to grab the second card, and then you can let those cards slide together. And then you set them down on your pinky, right? So we have them set down on the pinky. What we're doing from here is using our pointer and middle finger to slide in, and right when we make contact with the gap, right when we insert the fingers there, you're going to let go with your pinky and ring finger on your right hand holding the cards. So once you slide in there, you're going to kind of line up with your middle finger that's still holding the cards, and pinch with your thumb using both of the pointer and middle. So you're going to slide in there, pinch. Right when you pinch, you can let go with the middle, and now you are free to move these cards around, and you have better grip on them because you're grabbing at the middle of the card. Now, you don't want to do all the motion of the flip with your right hand here, or your left hand. You don't want to do the whole flip, because all that motion gives you the chance to move those cards and show them to the other person, and you want them to think this is one card. So what you're doing is, after you pinch here, you're going to use this hand, the hand that's holding the cards, you're just going to tilt it. And what that allows you to do when you tilt is it allows you to just kind of pull the cards and slide them across against the face of the deck here. So you slide, and if you just want to hold them the whole time, you can just set them down like that. While, remember, keeping them a little bit stuck out here, so you can just grab there and do the same thing again. So in full speed, it's like, okay, we grab the two cards, we break, grab, pinch, and flip over. And remember to not let this hand do all the motion. So we'll do it again a little bit closer up here. So we're grabbing those two cards. That's three. Grabbing two cards, letting them go together, letting our pinky hold that break, and we're sliding up, pinching, tilting our hand here to allow that slide to happen. And it also means that when you're placing the card down, you don't have to place it all the way flat. You can just kind of line it up there and then just move your hand back. So I'll try and do that again here. So we grab that break, stick the pinky, insert the fingers, move the pinky and ring out of the way, pinch, tilt the cards down, and set them down, and then you can just move them back to flat. That helps you move the cards less, so you have less chance of making them spread apart. Now I'm going to do a quick little trick here that you can do just using the double lift only and no other moves at all. So if you want to go back and look at how to do the double lift, just restart the video. You want to see how to do a little trick with the double lift. The most simple trick I know. Just look at this. So you're going to do the double lift, just like we've showed. You do the double lift and say, okay, here's the king of clubs. I'm going to take, or mess up like I did. I just messed up. Look at me. Look at me go. You're going to do a double lift and say, okay, here's the king of clubs. We're going to take the king of clubs, put it into the middle of the deck. You can see it's not on the bottom, and you can also see that it's not on top. But if you snap your fingers, you can see that the king of clubs jumps back up to the top. And that's how the trick works. It uses the double lift 2 times in the whole trick. So what you're doing, we'll get them a little bit shuffled up here. You're just doing a double lift to show the second card from the top, which is the queen of spades. You're then taking the random card, which is on top of it, putting it in the middle, showing the bottom card, and then doing another double lift to make the illusion that the top card is not their card. And then you're like, okay, as you can see, when they snap their fingers, it looks like their card jumps back. So we'll do it one more time here. Get it cut up a little more. So do the double lift. Here we got the king of hearts. Let's take him and shove him in the middle here. He's not on the bottom. If you look here, you can see he's not on the top. But if you give the card a little flick, he jumps back up. And that's a little quick way to do a trick with the double lift.